Hello, my name is Corey Crick. I'm a civil structural engineer. I've worked for my company for almost 4 years now. I've worked for them since I completed my bachelor's and master's at the University of Minnesota Duluth.
Hi, my name is Vince Marvin. I am Corey's supervisor at our current company. When I first came to LSC, I knew I was going to have a small team of engineers that I was supervising, and Corey was one of the engineers on this team.
When I first started, I was paired with a senior level engineer. That engineer ended up leaving the company. Later, my company hired Vince, who stepped in and filled that role.
As you can first imagine, working with somebody new, there's the learning curve of how everybody works well together and things like that. But I quickly learned that Corey was a very eager engineer, and he was always willing to learn something new and always willing to listen to new ways of doing things. I think Corey definitely understood that I had a different background and was willing to ask questions about why I was doing things a certain way and detailing and analyzing, and it was a breath of fresh air for him.
Vince, one of the nice things that I like he does is he has one-on-one meetings with each of the team members. And in these one-on-one meetings every week, we get the opportunity to discuss projects, any current issues that we have.
We talk about anything from workload to issues on projects to personal life. Corey has recently been studying for his PE exam, and during our one-on-one meetings, we've talked about the PE exam and gone through practice problems and things like that.
Vince has taken time out of his day to help go over any questions that I have, and he's also helped ensure that I have any study material that I needed for prepping for the exam.
There have been some that he has no clue about and is asking really good questions, and then there have been some that he's come to me and said, "Hey, I think this is what I'm doing wrong. What's your take on it?" So it has been great to see his knowledge grow when it comes to studying for the PE. As a supervisor and a mentor, that's great to see that he's learning, and he's gone from following the leader to taking ownership of the project and advancing his abilities to run a project.
Overall, it's been a great experience.
From my standpoint, the autonomy that Corey has displayed and the independence that he's displayed is a great benefit, because I know that I can provide him with projects and hand him work and not have to oversee him as closely